Let's shift our focus to the state of Kerala. Now, viewers, there is an actor who has made serious allegations against a young politician. She's not named the politician, but she has highlighted that this is a youth neta who is from a prominent party. The actor in concern is Rini Ann George. She says a youth leader from a prominent political party in the state of Kerala has been sending her offensive messages on multiple occasions. She is also alleging that the leader had even invited her to a hotel, and when she threatened to inform his party, he challenged her to go ahead. Now, the actor has not revealed the name of the party or the politician involved. She says that she's speaking out to support other women who are also being targeted by this very neta. Who is this leader? Which political party does he belong to? Which prominent party in Kerala harbors leaders who are facing allegations of sending offensive messages to women, inviting them to hotel rooms? Let's listen into what the actor has to say.
സംബന്ധിച്ച് എനിക്ക് 2-3 അശ്ലീല സന്ദേശങ്ങൾ വന്നു. ഞാനതിനെ ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്തു. ഞാനതിനെ നേരിട്ടു. എന്നെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് ഇത് എനിക്ക് വ്യക്തിപരമായിട്ടൊരു പ്രശ്നമേ അല്ല. ഞാൻ അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ് കേസായിട്ട് ഒന്നും മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാണ്ടിരുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ എനിക്ക് തോന്നിയ ഒരു കാര്യം എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ സമീപകാലത്ത് സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയയിൽ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ വ്യക്തിയെക്കുറിച്ച് ചില കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ വന്നപ്പോൾ ഇത് പല സ്ത്രീകളും നേരിടുന്നുണ്ടെന്നും ഇത് ഞാൻ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഒരു സ്ത്രീ പോലും സംസാരിക്കുന്നില്ല, ഒരു സ്ത്രീ പോലും ഇതിനെതിരെ ഒരു വാക്ക് പോലും സംസാരിക്കുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് തോന്നി ഞാനത് സംസാരിക്കുന്നതിൽ തെറ്റില്ല എന്ന് തോന്നി. പക്ഷെ എനിക്ക് പേഴ്സണലി അങ്ങനെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളില്ല. പേഴ്സണലി പ്രശ്നങ്ങളില്ലാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ് ഞാൻ അത് ടേക്കപ്പ് ചെയ്യാത്തത്. അത് ടേക്കപ്പ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് അത്തരത്തിൽ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ നേരിട്ടു എന്ന് പറയപ്പെടുന്ന സ്ത്രീകളാണ്. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സ്ത്രീകൾ ഉണ്ടെന്നുള്ളത് ഞാൻ പല ഫ്രണ്ട്സിൽ നിന്നും മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നു. അവരാണ് അതിനെ കൂടുതൽ ടേക്കപ്പ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. കാരണം എന്നെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് എനിക്ക് വലിയ ഹാം ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടായിട്ടില്ല. പക്ഷെ ഞാനത് പറയാൻ കാരണം ആരും പറയുന്നില്ല, ഒരു സ്ത്രീ പോലും പറയുന്നില്ല. 3.5 വർഷം മുമ്പ്.
So the actor here is leveling allegations. She says, and I quote from, and I'm going to translate what she just revealed. She said, I got a few obscene messages. I ignored them and I dealt with it properly. For me, it's not at all a problem, and that is why I didn't go ahead with the case. Recently, through Facebook, I realized that there are many other women who are facing similar issues in relation with this particular politician, and that is why I thought there is no harm in speaking up right now. Again, I personally don't have an issue. There are women who have issues with this person and they should take up the matter. There was no such harm that was caused to me, but and that is why I did not go ahead and complain. But I know of women who've gone through worse and they are not speaking up. This is an incident that happened 3 years ago. So actor Rini is talking about a politician. She's highlighting a pattern. She says it's not just her, but there are many other women who are facing similar behavior from a youth politician from a prominent political party. Arpita, this case is out in the open. People are talking about it. In the state of Kerala, there are many who know who Rini is talking about. What is the information that you have? Who is Rini Ann George hinting at?
So, well, even though this actress has not taken any particular name, she has given hints about this politician. She has mentioned that he's a young youth politician, a youth leader, and he comes from a very eminent political party. Even though she hasn't mentioned about the party, she has given other hints that she has mentioned that recently this political leader has assumed charge of an MLA. And also she said that he's an active member of youth leaders, among youth leaders. So all these hints are aiming at Congress youth leader, in fact Congress MLA Rahul Mamgotathil, but she hasn't mentioned this name. People are talking about him here in Kerala. There are a lot of buzz. People are hitting out at the MLA saying that it is him she's trying to mention, but there is no mention about him by this actress. She has only given hints. She said that around 3 years back, when he was not assuming any charge, he was just a political leader. That is when he first messaged her. She ignored it. She was then called to a hotel later, but she dealt with the matter properly. That is why she did not choose to file a complaint or come in front.
So,
but now